Welcome back, guys. So today I'm here with Klaiyi hair. This is the packaging, so let's get into it. I got a pair of wig caps, HE wig caps. Oh, I got some cute white press-on nails, simple like that. I got my wig, which we're gonna get into in a few. I also got a branded Klaiyi hair elastic headband. And I got 2 of these clips, perfect for when you're styling your hair. And that's everything in the box. So let's get into the wig. This is a wig that I got from Klaiyi hair today. This is their dark plum color 13x4 water wave pre-everything lace front wig with dark roots, and it's a glueless wig, by the way. As you guys can see, they already applied some of the lace tapes here at the front, at the sides really, and it's pre-everything, as I said. So it's pre-cut, pre-plucked, pre-bleached lace, and this is how the inside looks. It has adjustable straps in the back, a comb in the back, and this adjustable elastic band on the inside. The color of the hair is absolutely gorgeous. I love this dark plum. I think it's perfect for the fall as well and winter time, so it will look so trendy and fitting for those times. It's so gorgeous, and as I say, it's a water wave. It's so pretty. Like, look at that color, so gorgeous. So this is what we're working with today. I'm gonna do a very easy and quick install with this, and I'll give you guys a few styles with it as well. So let's go ahead and get into it. Okay, the sizing on this is perfect, and it fits like a glove on my head. Perfect. This is such a, I feel like if you want to try a little a color, like you want to, you know, switch it up from the regular black or, you know, brown, and you want to do something different, this plum is gorgeous because it's not out there. It's not too bold, you know, it's just right. Just want to go ahead and peel away at that, and then because you don't want the air portion to lift, and then you just literally press it in just like that, and you're good to go. Literally, as I said, 13x4 goodness, so you can go ahead, feel free to style it and part it different places within the lace front if you wish. So 13x4, the spacing on the side gets a little bit more narrow as you go towards the ear, but you still have some space to work with, the deepest portion being the middle, so you could go ahead and even do a center part if you wish, and it looks so much like scalp because as you see, it's already pre-bleached. So it's up to you if you wanna, the state you want to rock it in, if you want to keep it dry, or you want to, you know, redefine the waves some. But this is how it looks right away. I'm just running my hands through it to see what the shedding is like. So there is shedding. I wish it was a little less. It's processed hair, so you know it's definitely going to be a little bit on the coarser side because it is colored, as you can see. But yeah, I'm definitely getting minimal shedding from it, so that's something to note. This is 24 inches, by the way, guys. I'm going to put all the specifications down below just so you guys can verify all of that. But yeah, this is how it looks right off the bat. If you want to redefine the waves a little, you can always do that. Okay, so I'm going to get my spray bottle with just water to redefine these waves. It's so gorgeous though. I love that it's not thin, you're not seeing through the hair. It's nice and full. I'm gonna go ahead and get my spray bottle with water. And I'm just gonna redefine. It was only right that I redefined it with some water, just so, because you know it's a water wave wig. So this is how we are looking. Really cute. Absolutely love it. I'm really loving the color. and the fact that it's so easy to work with because it's glueless. So now let's go ahead and do, I'm gonna try, you know, this is the regular style, so you know, just wear it down. Now I think I want to do like something. So now I'm just gonna, you could go simple, like, you know, I'm gonna get this claw clip, you know, do a simple little updo, and you can leave the ends. Very simple, very cute, glueless, convenient. Yeah, you could go ahead and do a little half up, half down vibe. Yeah, you do have the options to go ahead and style it different ways. As you guys can see, I gave you a quick like half up, half down, like a very effortless half up, half down vibe. So you could go ahead and style this different ways as you please. I'm just kind of giving it more of a wet look, you know, because I think it's so gorgeous. That's that. Super easy wig, super easy wig to work with. Let me know what you guys think. Shout out to Klaiyi. Shout out to Klaiyi here once more for today's gorgeous wig look. I love the fact that I could try out a plum color for the season. It's too gorgeous. The direct link to this wig will be down below in my description box, so if you guys are interested in going ahead and getting it for yourself, it will be down below. So go ahead, check that out. And if they have any sale going on, any discount code, any deals, anything like that, that will be listed, so please go ahead and check it out. But that's it, guys. That is it for today's wig look. Go ahead, give this video a thumb up, subscribe if you're not yet subscribed, and yeah, that's it for today. Thank you guys so much for watching, and I'll see you in my next video.